Hi, Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds here with the box. The box that I seen the mailman drop off. I don't know what it is. It could be ham radio related. It could be diamond art related. I don't know. But I will in a few minutes. I'm going to open this before Mr. Pampered gets home, because he worked on the base today. I think this is diamond art related, guys. Whoa. He got me not one, but two of these. That's all that's in this box. So let's see. I did tell him that I needed another container to kit up my Drills of the Universe, because the Diamond Art Club case storage containers that I got, they're going to be in use for a year, because I have Counting with the Draglings in there, and it's going to take me a year to do, because I'm doing each block. I'm doing block 1 January, block 2 February, etc. until we get to 12. And then it's going to be as a gift. So I needed another container. And guys, these are a little bit, I think they're small, but they'll work. They will work, because I can do 2 containers for one color. I'm going to have plenty. Let's see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 80. 96 containers. So Threads of the Universe will definitely fit in here. And then I'm also planning to do dolphins with my sister. And that'll definitely fit in the other one. So I will have them kitted up and ready to go. Because the Diamond Art Club one's kind of hard to travel with. This one has a nice sturdy handle, which I like. Oh, guys, look what's in this. Look at these trays. Look at the tray. I did have a big purple one like this, but I don't know what happened to it. Here is wax, baggies, two trays. Oh, I don't think you can see. Here we go. That's better. Purple tray. I like this. I had one of these, like I said, but I don't know what happened to it. 96 containers, baggies, big piece of wax, 2 green trays, which I won't be using. I don't really like those green trays. I do like the gray ones with the spout on the end. They're about the same size, but I like those. Look at these pens. And they all come with the squishies. Oh, here we go. That's much better. I don't like these tweezers. I won't be using them. So I won't be using those. But these are kind of fat. It's kind of fat. I like the thinner ones. Although these do work okay with the round drills, but not the squares. Lots of pens. And handy dandy straightener. Can never have too many of those. So we'll put these all back in here. and a pen. Look at how pretty. Let me see if these will fit on here. They will, but it's really tight. And I won't really be using those. So I'm going to see if my Diamond Art Club ends will fit in this pen. This is a nice pen. Funnel. Can never have too many funnels, although I don't really use the funnels because if they're static, all the drills get stuck all in there. So I don't really like to use these funnels. I like to pour my drills in a tray and then pour it into a container. And a nifty little bag. It came with a bag. That means I got 2 of all this stuff, guys, because I got another one just like it. Aw, I was kind of hoping you diamond painted this, but you don't. But all this stuff will fit in my pen. I do use the baggies. Don't use those. More. Oh, here we go. Hold on. These are pen tips. Let's see. Let's do the straightener end because these are fat. I won't use the fat tips. So let's see. I do like to have the straightener. And let's see if this tip will fit. It will not. Yeah, it will not. Maybe on this end. Maybe on that end. Nope, it doesn't fit on the pen. They don't fit. I mean, if I put them on, I'm probably not going to get them off. So that's kind of a bummer. So I'm going to find tips that will fit on this pen. That's kind of cool. And stickers to put on top. Nice. So he got me 2 of these, guys. 2. I'm super excited. Maybe I just have to work with these funnels again. I don't know. I'm just not. I don't find them helpful. For me, anyway. Let me know in the comments. Am I doing something wrong with these funnels? Is that why I don't like them? So let me, there's my pen. Okay, I'm going to go run real quick and see if my Diamond Art Club tips will fit in here. Be right back. All right, I'm back. And I don't think they will because this one is a twist. So I don't think the twist ones are going to fit. Nope, no way. No way, man. Do I have any other tips right here that I can try? Here's a skinnier one. Skinnier plastic. Now that one fit in there nice. Okay. All right, I'm still here. I'm looking for another single place end, and I don't see one. Nope. I don't see one easily accessible, but that's skinnier. That end is much skinnier than these guys. I mean, I can almost fit that in there. Let's see. Yeah, I still have a cold. Not fun. See that? I can almost fit that in there. That's much skinnier. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one. Much skinnier. So I don't mind using this one. So I gotta find a single tip for this one. So that is what I got in my package that I opened before Mr. Pampered got home. I hope you enjoyed watching me sneak. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And remember, be kind to everyone you meet, because you don't know what they're going through. Have a nice day or night, and I will see you on the next